Hello everybody. Hello everybody. I hungry. I hungry. Me go, go heat up. Me go heat up pancakes and sausages on a stick and microwave. Yeah, we go heat this up, yeah, heat this up in microwave, yeah. I am so hungry, me go heat this up and eat it. Yeah, we did too. We go grab one out, one out, one one out, one plate, right, one plate, one plate. Yeah, we go heat this up, pancakes and sauces on a stick and microwave to eat. Yeah, me got put back in my refrigerator. Yeah, put back in my refrigerator. Now, now me put this into microwave. Try. You try. You don't wanna like burn it, but say you try want get like white and like melt heat. Try do one. Try do like 1 second. 1 second. Let me show you it. It like no one. Let me say 1 second. 1 minute. Try 1 minute. No 1 second. 1 minute. 1 minute. Try it 1 minute. Try. Check how check how it is. With it, yep. You know, yep. See where, see, heat it up. Heat it up in microwave. Yeah, like, that look like, kind of like corn dog. Corn dog, like, I like one with corn dog. Look like corn dog. That, pancakes, sauces on a stick. The full like breakfast time. Well, like right now dinner time. Right now like 6:54. Yeah, right now 6:54. Dinner time. Yeah, let me go check how to let me go. Try eating. Try blow. Try blow on try. You don't wanna like really wanna burn your tongue. You don't wanna burn your tongue. You try like you wanna try me so like cold try. Yeah, try. Yeah. Me try. Try now. Like like really like really good like like really good yeah, hmm. And like I had it before I had the sauce before yeah yeah one minute yeah 1 minute yeah if you want if you're hungry you want yeah more you want yeah pancakes and sauces if you want to eat it to go you want like here 1 minute 1 minute carb yeah 1 minute yeah yep 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 heat up yep heat up heat up yep heat up pancakes and sauces on a stick and microwave to eat. Yeah, 1 minute cover yeah, like 1 minute yeah, warm like really really good, yeah 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 we had to go with they go with so so the when I have no more so we have no more so yeah me and my mom have no more so when I me with yeah I almost done almost um, really, really, yeah, yeah, really go, meaning very much, always shut the refrigerator, yeah, thumb up, and subscribe both my YouTube channels, and me and my friend Tom too.